In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your email campaign from Constant Contact. By the end, you'll have a clean copy of your email saved to your computer, ready to review, share, or archive. First, sign in to your Constant Contact account using your usual login credentials. Make sure you're on a secure network and that pop-up blockers aren't preventing downloads, especially if your browser tends to block them by default. Once you're in, head to the Campaigns area. Depending on your layout, this may be labeled Campaigns or Emails. This section lists all your email campaigns, including drafts, scheduled messages, and previously sent emails. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly locate the campaign you need. Sorting by date or status can save time, especially if you're looking for the most recent send. Open the specific email campaign to bring up its details. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct version. Check the subject line, send date, or any internal notes you use for tracking. If a preview option is available, use it to make sure the content and layout look the way you expect. Next, look for a download, print, or export option. This might appear as a button labeled Download, Export, or Print, or it could be under a More Actions or three dots menu. If you don't see it immediately, scan the top right corner or the Campaign Details panel, as that's a common spot for these tools. When you choose to save, select the format that fits your needs. A PDF is great for preserving the design exactly as it appears in the email and is easy to share with teammates or stakeholders. Some views may let you export a report, which focuses more on performance metrics rather than the visual email. If your goal is the email's design, choose the file or print to PDF option. If you're prompted to pick a destination, choose a familiar folder, your downloads or a project folder, and give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. Finally, open the downloaded file to confirm it's saved correctly. Check that images load, links appear as expected, and the formatting matches your original campaign. If something looks off, try re-downloading or use the print to PDF option if a direct download isn't rendering perfectly in your browser. That's it. You've successfully downloaded your email campaign from Constant Contact and verified the file. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.